Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to bypass the Google account on Lenovo K5 Plus. So let's do it. So first thing that you must do is to power off your phone and hit power off and hit OK. Wait a few seconds. And now you must press the volume up button and the power button all together until you see Lenovo on your screen. So let's do it. Volume up and power. Push it. Now remove your fingers. And now from here you must select fast boot. Okay, here is fast boot. Just hit on this. And wait a few seconds. Okay, now put down your phone and you must connect your phone to your PC with this micro USB data cable. Just connect it. Okay, and of course you must wait until your drivers are installed. After you install the drivers, you must open this folder. The link you will find in the video description. So let's open. And here open Remove Factory Reset Protection. And now you must press any key you want. Let's do it. And now, as you can see, my phone has been restarted. And now you can disconnect your phone and wait until your phone will restart. Now just hit the yellow arrow and now wait a few seconds and now here hit skip. No need to enter your email account. Again hit skip, next, hit skip, skip anyway, more, next, and now you can use your phone. You can go to settings and scroll down, go to backup and reset and hit factory data reset and hit reset phone and hit erase everything. Now wait a few seconds until your phone will restart. Now I'm back. And all you must do is the initial setup. Just hit the yellow arrow, hit skip and next. And now the setup is complete. Let's go to settings and scroll down, hit about phone and hit device information, and here is my model number, I hope you see it, and Android version 5.1.1. Okay, so I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and have a nice day.